Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. If you're on Snapchat and you can't jump into your app, like you can see, I've jumped into mine due to a device ban. I'm going to show you how to fix it on an Android device. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead onto your phone settings, your device settings. Now right here you can see we are in device settings, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for apps. Once you're in apps, of course, we're going to look for Snapchat, and we can use the search bar up at the top, or we can just scroll through the apps and look for it. It is in alphabetical order. Now from here we're going to go down to storage. We can tap on storage, and directly from here there are two things that you need to do. The first thing is to clear your cache on the bottom of the page on the right hand side, and then also if you go into manage storage, you will now have to go and delete your app data completely. And then thirdly, the storage that is used, if you're using internal storage currently, you would want to now tap on change, and it'll change your storage from internal to your SD card. Now if these have not worked, if you're jumping back into Snapchat and it's still giving you the same error, I'm going to show you how you can log a complaint or report a problem on Snapchat. So what you want to go and do is jump into a browser of your choice, whether it be Safari, Firefox, Mozilla, Chrome, Edge, whatever it is that you use on your device, and you're going to jump in and you're going to type in Snapchat support, and it'll be the very first result, of course, and we're going to go into here. Now this is the opportunity that you will get to actually log a complaint or actually report a problem. Right from this page you're going to see a few different shortcuts. You're going to go ahead and tap on my account is compromised on the top right hand side of the screen. So right from this page you can see that you get to submit a request, and it says what can we help you with. Now basically what you're going to do is go ahead and you are going to select one of these options that are most like the issue that you are dealing with, and you're going to go ahead, and it's already pre-selected I can't access my account, and then it says tell us more. It says I think my account was compromised. We're going to go ahead and we're going to keep this default selection, and as we travel down to the end of the page you will now have the opportunity to enter your username, which is your Snapchat username. You're also going to enter your email address, your mobile number, and then a description of the issue that you're dealing with, and you're going to go ahead. At the bottom there's a submit button. You're going to tap on that, and it will take a little while for the support team to get back to you. However, they will eventually get back to you, and they will be able to find the root of your issue and fix it for you. I hope this was helpful. If it was, drop us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time. Cheers.